People, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to customize your own emoji on a Capcut application. So the first thing you have to do is just need to prepare the video clip that you want to edit the emojis to, and here I already have one video. And for the next thing to edit emoji, you just need to go click this button feature with the text sections, and then you just need to go click it. And the next thing you need to do is just go click this sticker. My bad. Go click this sticker, and after that you just need to jump into this emoji sections, and you just need to choose which emoji that you want to use for the paste. Let's say this. And you can also like adjusting the size as well as the position of the emoji. And if you want to find the next, you just need to like scrolling down and find out the another emoji that you want to have for your paste. Just need to like scrolling down, or you can also just type in the search button a crown, go click search. And there we go. We already have like several crowns options, and you just need to click one of them, go click cancel and done. And you can also adjust in the positions as well as the size. You just need to like adjusting according to your need. And the last thing, you just need to do this the similar way. If you want to find another one, go click the specific object that you want to find and go click search. And you need to wait, go click cancel and go click done again, adjusting the position of this as well as the positions. And here is the result. So that is the way how to create a custom emoji on a video clip on a Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.